The coach has been equipped with an H2 pack kit. Safra, a French company that specializes in the renovation of passenger transport equipment and a pioneer in hydrogen mobility, presented a hydrogen coach at the recent UITP summit that took place in Barcelona last week. The hydrogen retrofitted coach features the company's H2 pack kit, which has been designed to convert a combustion-powered inner-city coach into a zero-emission vehicle. The H2 pack retrofit kit is fully designed and assembled by Safra. The retrofit kit allows the vehicle's diesel engine to be transformed into a zero-emission hydrogen electric powertrain. The original diesel engine is replaced by a 350 kilowatt Dana electric motor that receives power from a 100 kilowatt, 70 kilowatt useful plastic omnium fuel cell. According to Safra, the H2 used by the hydrogen coach is stored in 6 tanks, which have been integrated into an area of the vehicle that is separated from the passengers by a watertight, ventilated, and secure partition. The tanks allow for 35 kilograms of hydrogen to be carried on board, delivering a maximum range of 500 kilometers. The hydrogen coach presented at the event belongs to the Occitanie region. This is France's second-largest region by surface area, and it has commissioned Safra with retrofitting 15 of its inner-city coaches. The H2 pack retrofit offers a number of advantages, but most notably offers economical and ecological benefits. For instance, the cost of converting an existing bus or coach into a zero-emission vehicle is much cheaper than buying a brand-new vehicle. Additionally, certain onboard components can remain without needing to be reinstalled, such as ticketing equipment, also saving on cost. As for being eco-friendly, the retrofit extends the life of the vehicle, postponing the need for a replacement by several years. Finally, as a hydrogen coach, the same vehicle is able to circulate in LEZ, low-emission zones, which was not possible before. Beyond its H2 pack retrofit kit, Safra has also manufactured a full hydrogen bus called the High City. So far, about 20 vehicles have been ordered, and the company is continuing to expand its facilities to ramp up production and meet the growing demand from customers eager to establish hydrogen ecosystems. Like the hydrogen coach, it retrofitted for the Occitanie region. Safra will present its High City zero-emission bus at an industry event. This time around, their H2 bus will debut this October at the Bus World Trade Show in Brussels. That's it for now. Make sure to hit subscribe and grab our free ebook. The link is in the description. Let us know what you think. Leave a comment down below.